everyone, welcome to Lena Vibes. We are back with exciting game, room decoration edition. Which one is your favorite, Lisa or Lena? Which one you want to pick? I would choose Lena. What about you? Lisa or Lena, who's your number one? Which one? I like the Lisa choices. How about you? Mention your favorite choice in the comments below. Which one you want to go for? Tell me your choice in the comments. Which one is your favorite, Lisa or Lena? Are you a Lisa fan or Lena fan? Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.